Hello guys, it's Roka here. So today I'm going to be sharing calories in Nigerian meat pie. I have conversations with people all the time who tell me they do not eat a lot but they snack a lot. So this is the reason why we're going through this video. I'm kind of showing you guys everything that I'm using in this recipe. You also find this exact same recipe on nigerfoodie.com, or you can Google Nigerian meat pie recipe. So first I'm going to make the dough, and I'm just going through my ingredients. I'm going to mix everything together with some water, which is 0 calories, to form the dough, and that is going to form like the base for our meat pie. So now that our dough is made, we're going to go into making the filling, and let me already give you the cheat code. The filling is not the part that is super calorie heavy, it's the dough that is super calorie heavy. So you kind of see the filling uses like real simple ingredients. I do not add any oil because the ground beef will have its own natural oils, so there's really no reason to add any extra oil into this. I usually just brown my beef, and then I go in with my onions and then potatoes, carrot, spices, and I just allow that to go until everything is kind of well cooked, and that is how I make my filling. Okay, so now that the filling is made, I'm just going to let it rest to cook completely, and then we're going to assemble the meat pie itself. Now, let me tell you, the recipe that I have on the website makes about 20 pies. So my pies are usually about like half, I would say, the size of regular Nigerian meat pie. So what you buy from like conventional, fast food. Mine are about half the size, so it's like the calories. If you definitely make your dough size bigger, or you make your filling size bigger, you have more calories, right? But this is how I make mine, and this is the size that you can expect. Using the recipe, you can expect to have about 20 pies. So I have baked my pie, and now I'm going to tell you the total calories in each of this not so small but not too big meat pies that I typically would make. Okay, so each one is about 260 calories, and like I said, the more you use, the higher the calories. So that's that, guys. This can definitely be part of your diet in a healthy way. This particular pie is not like super heavy calorie, but then again, if you think about it, you can have 2 of this, or you can have a full meal for like the same amount of calories. And I'm telling you now, the full meal would definitely keep you fuller longer than the 2 meat pies.